Hello and welcome back again to our channel, Tutoring Made Easy. In this video, we're going to rationalize the problem that we have before us. And to do that, we're always going to multiply the top by the denominator here. The denominator is 3 plus square root of 5, but we're going to change it. We're going to change the sign. So we're going to have 3 minus square root of 5 divided by the same thing. Divided by the same thing. Always, that's what it's going to do. You're always going to check the denominator and multiply that denominator to the top and down, but just change the sign. If here was negative, the sign here would be positive and positive at the same time. So bear that in mind. So after doing that, we're going to have 1 plus square root of 5 multiplied by 3 minus square root of 5, all divided by 3 plus square root of 5, square root of 5 multiplied by 3 minus square root of 5 in this order. Now what we're going to have is this 1, we'll multiply the 3, we get 3. The same 1, we'll multiply this negative square root of 5, we get negative square root of 5. Square root of 5 times this is going to be plus 3 square root of 5. Then we also have him plus square root of 5 multiplying negative square root of 5, all divided by this. Now when we get here, this is our A. We can consider this as A and B, and then that gives us what we call the difference of two squares, because they're all multiplying. A plus B multiplying A minus B becomes A squared minus B squared. So our A squared here, becomes 3 squared minus our B, which is square root of 5 all squared. When we do that, we're going to have the top part here is going to be 3 minus 1 square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 5 plus 5 to the power half multiplied by minus 5 to the power of half, all divided by the denominator, which becomes 9 minus 5. Why? Because this will cancel that. Now when we do that, the top part is going 3 plus 2, because negative 1 plus 3 is 2 square root of 5 plus minus, because negative and when positive and negative are multiplied, becomes minus 5 to the power of half plus half. Because the bins are the same, you add the top, divided by 4. We're going to have 3 plus 2 square root of 5 minus 5 all over 4. Answer becomes 3, and negative 5 becomes negative 2 plus 2 square root of 5 over 4. You can simplify this and have negative 2 over 4 plus 2 square root of 5 over 4. And then you're going to have here to be negative half plus half square root of 5. All right, thank you, and please subscribe.